112 XP is in a high-risk deathmatch in Edgeville when he gets the kill. And he brags to the looter noobs around him like 60 mil kill. But then one of those crazy cat ladies steps on his pile. And that 60 mil kill drops significantly in price. Why haven't they fixed this shit yet, honestly? Come on, Jagex. Ban the cats! Oh, and remember this guy?
Why do I deserve full bandos? Full bandos, full bandos, full bandos, full bandos, full bandos, full bandos, full bandos.
Well, he's back.
99 agility. Agility. 99 agility. 99. Agility! Agility! 99! 99!
I'm going PKing later, and I was wondering if you guys have any Rocktail or Cerebrew, to Rocktail Cerebrew. If not, it's fine. Super attacks, even regular attacks is fine.
I'm sorry about that.
No, that's fine, don't worry about it.
Yes, we have Dr. Pepper.
Okay, I'll have one of those, please.
So with the number one, what about Dr. Pepper?
That sounds perfect.